Adding Wi-Fi control to your Mitsubishi Electric Air Conditioner will allow you to control your home's heating or cooling from anywhere, anytime. To get started, you'll need our Wi-Fi adapter professionally installed and connected to your home's WPS-enabled router and an internet-enabled device as a remote controller. This video covers functional controls only. To turn your unit on or off, simply press the power icon in the top left corner of your device. Placed around the power button, you'll find the mode settings. Here you can access our 5 operational modes: auto, heat, dry, fan, and cool. The next control is a slider for temperature. You can slide this up or down to your desired temperature preference. The current actual measured room temperature is displayed above the set temperature slider. Fan speed can be adjusted in 5 user selectable speeds from low to high. Alternatively, you can select auto fan speed to allow the unit to dictate the fan speed best matched for your operational mode. Airflow direction allows you to manually set the direction of output air from a high angle to a low angle, with the option to swing across high to low in a continually sweeping mode. Lastly, the Airflow Auto setting lets the system determine best airflow direction for you. For ducted air systems, your controller interface will show a zone controller, if installed, allowing you further control of individual zone areas in your home.